Your 2015-2020 Chevy Suburban or Tahoe has two main fuse boxes, one under the hood and one inside the cabin. The underhood fuse box is on the driver's side of the engine bay, near the battery. Access it by opening the hood and removing the plastic cover, which is secured by clips or screws. The interior fuse box is located under the dashboard on the driver's side, behind a removable panel. You can usually pull this panel down without tools. For tighter fits, use a trim tool to avoid scratches. These fuse boxes protect your vehicle's electrical circuits from overloads, preventing damage to components like headlights, power accessories, and infotainment systems. Note that a 2024 recall addressed potential short circuits in underhood fuse boxes for certain 2016, 20s, and 18 models, so inspect yours regularly. To replace a fuse, first identify the blown fuse by visually inspecting it for a melted wire or using a multimeter to check continuity. A blown fuse will show no continuity. Always use OEM or equivalent blade-type fuses with the correct amperage, which are color-coded for easy identification. After replacing the fuse, test the circuit to ensure it's working properly. If the fuse blows again immediately, there's likely an underlying issue like a short circuit that requires professional diagnosis. Safety is key. Consider disconnecting the battery when working with high amperage fuses to prevent sparks, and always work in a well-ventilated area. Regular inspection during oil changes can catch issues early, with fuse-related problems accounting for about 12% of Suburban Tahoe repairs. A 2025 survey found that 75% of owners successfully replace fuses themselves, saving an average of $150 compared to shop costs.